வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 3 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி செகண்ட் லெசன் ஆர்ட் அண்ட் ஆர்கிடெக்சர் ஆஃப் தமிழ்நாடு. அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். விச் இஸ் த ஓல்டஸ்ட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரல் டெம்பிள் இன் சவுத் இந்தியா? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ ஷோர் டெம்பிள் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். In which year were the Mamallapuram monuments and temples notified as the UNESCO World Heritage Site? Option D 1984 is the correct answer. What was the special feature of the architecture of early Chola period? Option B Vimanas is the correct answer. Which is the Alaikiyat Nambi temple situated? Tirukurangudi is the option A is the correct answer. Who built the Vaikunda Perumal temple? Option B Narasimha Varman is the correct answer. Filling the blanks, Dash was the first rocket cave temple built the Pallava king Mahendra Varman. Answer Madangapattu temple. The early Cholas architecture followed by the style of Simbian Mahadevi style. The most celebrated mandapam in Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple is Pudu Mandapam. Later Chola period was known for the beautiful Gopurams. Vijayanagar period's unique feature is the Dash. Answer Mandapam. Match the following: 7 Padagas Shore Temple, Radhi Mandapam, Tirukurangudi, Iravatishwara Temple, Darasuram, Adinatha Temple, Alagar Tirunangiri, Pudu Mandapam, Madurai. நான் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு இதில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். True or false? Rajasimha built the Kanji Kailasanatha temple. True. Early Pandyas were the contemporaries of later Cholas. False. Rock cut and structural temples are significant parts of the Pandya architecture. True. Pragadishwara temple was built by Rajendra Chola. True. Vijayanagar and Nayak paintings are seen at temple at Dadapuram. False. Find out the wrong pairs. The option 2 Kudalagar temple, Alvar Tirthangari is the wrong pair. Is the correct answer. Assertion and reason are given. Option B or is correct explanation of A. Find out the odd one out. Answer is Kanjipuram is the correct answer. Name the epoch of following: 600 to 850 Pallava epoch, 850 to 1100 early Chola epoch, AD 1100 to 1350 later Chola epoch, AD 1350 to 1600 Vijayanagara Nayak epoch. Find out the correct statement. The first statement and third statement is the correct answer. Arjuna penance is carved out of the granite boulder. The cave temple at Pilayarpatti is a contribution of later Pandyas. Answer the following. The Tamil Dravida tradition is exemplified rocket monuments such as Panjapandava Rathas, namely Darupadi Radha, Dharmaraja Radha, Bhima Radha, Arjuna Radha and Nakula Sahadeva Radha. The outer walls of the Radhas, especially of Arjuna, Bhima and Dharmaraja, decorated with niches and motifs. The niches have the sculptures of god, goddess, monarchs and scenes from mythology. Through caves at Sittanavasal have outstanding early Pandya paintings. Sittanavasal was a residential cave of the Jain monks. They painted the walls with fresco painting. The lotus pond is notable for its excellent execution of colors and exposure of the scene. The image of lotus flowers leaves spread all over the pond. Animals, elephant, buffalo, swans and man who pluck the flowers look brilliant. At the time the big temple of Tanjavur was constructed, it was a huge temple complex, 200 feet Vimana structure over the Garbhagriha is notable as it is the one among the tallest man-made shikaras of the world. Due to its massive height, the shikara is called as Dakshinemeru. The huge bull statue Nandi measures about 16 feet long and 13 feet height and it's carved out of a single rock. In the temple of Rameshwara, the predominance of corridors is striking. This temple has the longest set of corridors in the world. The temple has 3 sets of corridors. The outer set of corridors has height of almost 7 meters and stretches for about 120 meters in both the eastern and western direction. The outer corridor is also remarkable for the number of pillars that support it, which over 1200 in number. Many of the pillars are decorated by ornate carvings. The Pallava epoch witnessed the transition from rock-cut to freestanding temples. Rock-cut temples were initially built by carving a rock to the required design and then rocks were cut to build temples. The Pallava king Mahendra Varma was the pioneer in rock-cut architecture. Mahanadu temple was the first rock-cut temple built by him. The rock-cut cave structure has 2 pillars in front of that hold it. This cave architecture reached its decadent phase after AD 700 and gave way to the large structural temples, probably because the structural temples provide the wider scope to the sculptor to use his skill. The main features of Vijayanagara Nayak architecture was decorated mandabas, ornamental pillars like sizes, images, gopuras, prakaras, music pillars, floral works and towns, windows during the 15th to 17th centuries. The Pallava epoch witnessed the transition from rock-cut to freestanding temple. The shore temple at Mamallapuram was built by the Pallava king Narasimha Varman II. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ நான் உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.